a development platform for Black Hole that will allow you to code whatever. The part that that Black Hole doesn't support at that point, you can write it yourself and ship it into the cloud, and it will integrate with Black Hole. So those are some of the development tools that we're working on currently.
Okay. And mentioning the tools, what are the programming languages and maybe the stuff you're using for your?
So currently, because what we had to do, the back end of Black Hole, the real things that do the heavy lifting are all in C++, and so we know that a lot of people don't enjoy C++ as much. So we've built a compiler that takes Python to C++ and Java to C++. So we are continuing to expand to more languages, but at this stage we are still limited to 2. But it's on a roadmap to expand to at least 12 languages that people can enjoy using.
And using your tool, I don't necessarily have to know Python or C++ to be able to use your.
No. Okay. So we actually have a RESTful API, but so we also build the client-side libraries that allow you to treat that RESTful API as though it was I don't know, the Java people call it a POJO, the object relational method. So that's what we provide as part of the front end. So to provide the ease of access. So that's what I will also show you, and that's what that recipe that's on GitHub I was talking about. So I'll show that to you guys. Thanks for the question.
I wanted to just find out. So basically, you guys are ensuring that this app has scalability, right? Going from 1 to 1 million users without a problem. This means that it's literally going to deal with the hardware side, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's going to have direct impact with whatever we have back there.
Yeah. So let me just elaborate on that. We will be in the next week or two. We actually very soon platform for Black Hole, where you can actually go in there and say, okay, I have a Black Hole instance and I would like to scale it up to 2 nodes, and then you scale it up from there. So we also manage
physically, or are you going to run it automatically? Is it going to run itself?
Yeah, you basically go to the control panel and say, scale this to another node and scale it to a bigger node. So you can scale to a bigger or a couple of nodes to support more load. Yeah, with load balancing provided between the nodes.
Before you take another question, those who haven't signed here, we need to sort this out for the group. So if you haven't put your name down here, can you please see my guy? He's not my guy, but this guy. So you just sign up here. And you guys are live, by the way.
Oh, I'm sitting.
No.
Oh, okay. Do you have any other questions? Yes. Okay.
So how do we play with your toy?
Yes. Yeah. Yes. I'm trying to think about that. How can I use the thingy on the project? Yeah. I just want to access the repository and show everyone how it looks like.
Make sure you screencast it.
Do you mind choosing another laptop?
Okay.
There's another laptop. But also,
we have
we'll sort that out.
Yeah.
Okay. Just set up and prepare for that.
Okay. No, it's already there. I just want to open it up on the screen so everyone can. Okay. Yeah, basically any laptop that can access the internet. There is one in there, but everyone is sitting on posing. Yeah. Yeah. If you don't mind. Does it have access to the internet? Oh, okay.
So you need the lights off?
No, not really.
No, I didn't check.
What is this?
what happened. So, what's your Mnet? Your whole life. Everybody else is like, yeah. Because people me encourage. Yeah. I'm Swedish too. Come on, guys. No way. No way.
Okay, guys, while they're setting up, can I just share a few things about surviving the hackathon and doing it right? For those of you who haven't been to hackathon, so in the beginning, when you start, you are all energetic and you're very excited about the challenge that you're addressing. But as the night progresses, your energy starts to go down. So my approach would be when you plan out your project and what you're going to work on tonight, think about the most those parts that are most thought intensive. So the most logical parts, and you tackle them first. And then your HTML front ends and the pretty stuff and the easy stuff, you leave that for. You might get excited and start working on things that don't really give you the competitive advantage and forget the things that really matter. So just try and start with the things that really matter, the things that are going to win you the competition and the things that are going to win us the competition as South Africa. Because if you progress from here, you're representing the country. Okay, roll up with internet. Is yours connected?
I like that question. I like that statement you said about how the business wants to push apps is critical. So your goal as a developer is to push it out.
That's why I said accelerate. Advancement of technology. So how quick and break stuff.
So black hole is literally time gap that you.
That's it.
So I looking at this
is what you do as an end user. Well, yes. Okay, guys, can I just quickly show you the code structure on this and what's the most critical elements of it? So it's just a normal element app. You'll notice that there is nothing special with it. Yeah, actually nothing. Source. All right, create an Android app on Android Studio. You end up with a file structure like this, and there's nothing changes in this case. And so now, when you're going to the apps part, and you go to source. Why does this have to be so missing? Okay. Okay, under resources, values, strings. Okay, so this is the first part that might look different to other applications. It's just that record config part. So if you give us your email address and we create an instance for you, we'll give you the host name, which is what goes on the first line, just below that record config comment, and we'll give you the API key, secret key. So you just have to put it there, and you should. Let me see if there is anything else. So you'll see that inside the app itself, in the code. Okay, so there's just one line of code you need to integrate with Blackboard, and it's this one. That one over there. Blackboard init, and then you pass it the context or the application, and that's how the integration with Blackboard works. Once you supply those keys there and you've called that, you'll be able to do whatever you need to do. And just to show you an example of how it would work inside your Android activity. So I don't know how to scroll on the Mac. Okay. All right, so from here, just after adding those pieces of code, you'll be able to do things like this. So just run queries like this and be able to store and retrieve data and do uploads and downloads onto your app. So that's just how you implement it, and there's nothing special to it. We've tried to do it to make it as close as possible, really, right? Code so that it doesn't come in the way. But we'll supply also during the night. We'll supply more examples, just looking into how to do more practical things. But I just wanted to show you just the configuration part of it. Yeah. So yeah, it's that simple as that's all.
You did say it's cloud-based, right?
Yeah.
So, is there any limitations?
Size limitation. No. So since it's on the cloud, if the more your app gets busy or it gets more visits and you need to scale it out, then you just increase your deployment size, and that's basically takes care of the limitation side in terms of scalability. I'm not sure if that answers your question. Okay. Have any questions, comments? All right. Okay. I won't take any more of your time. So yeah, you just let us know if you want to use Blackboard for your app, to give it some wins and to win you the competition and all. So yeah, just let it. Okay, thanks.
Awesome. Thank you. So they'll be hiding in here. If you guys need.
Oh, by the way, you can check this out. It's on a public repository on Bitbucket. You can get I'm sorry, I don't know how to operate a Mac, so just trying. Yeah, this. So you go to bitbucket.org/Napster/that name.
Okay, just send them the link, command one week, give us the emails. Email address.
Oh, okay. I was trying to avoid the long route, but yeah. And break it down. Break it down.
So you guys know where to get the challenges, right? For the hackathon. Yeah. Is everybody clear on where to get the challenges? You're not clear? Alright. I will switch you up. Go back here.
So if
There's actually a whole culture.
you have to end it. And away. You might be like you.
What happened?
I was out for a while now. I had to
Yeah.
Guys, I'm sorry, you know the official website by now. 2015, the space years. Alright, so there are a couple of challenges that you guys will have to work on. There will be 3 winners that will be chosen. Yes, 3 groups. Yeah, so 2 teams will be chosen as winners by the judges, and then there will be an audience choice as well. Kim over there won the audience whose choice award. It's not ridiculous.
No.
Yeah, but it's quite interesting. Next time you just have to get people to vote for you. That's pretty exciting. But then if you do not like my status on Facebook, I won't vote for you. So, the challenges will be just based on these criteria. How much impact can this project have? Does it solve a big problem or a little problem? It depends as well on what kind of the challenge that you're solving. You can either be solving challenges here on Earth, in space, challenges that address human well-being, because you get to do some biosciences stuff, yeah, which is quite good. It's like when you have this technology, creativity. All those challenges have been given. NASA gives you problems. You know, my teacher always used to say, you must not say problems, because problems do not have solution. You know, so let's just say NASA gave you challenges and say we need people to be able to do this, and that. Oh, we need scientists to be able to do this and that. We need on Earth to be this thing. It's up to you to solve that problem, to solve that challenge, however you like. And you have to be creative about it. That's what I like about this challenge. How well does this project fit the needs of the challenge it addresses? Obviously, we will have to look at maybe the management of the product. How user-friendly is the technology? Is it a complete solution, or does it have a long way to go?
So when you start to develop your solution, just develop with an end goal that should be finished. So viable product and sustainability. The plan for the next steps is the project stream beyond the event. Now, you guys will have to do PowerPoint presentations of your project and make sure that you kill it, because mostly at hackathons, it's not just really about the product being, you can see the complex technology, but they also want to see that you understand your solution and this solution is going to have impact. Okay. Yeah. Presentation. How did the team communicate the project and make sure that when you're developing as a team, each and every team member knows the project? Because some judges sometimes can decide to be fun. Let's say this is one team. They'll just say, in the second left, how are you guys going to take this picture forward? And just so this guy was not paying attention, or the other team members were not telling him, or he was just ignorant and all that. And then he fails to answer the question. That will count against you. So make sure that when you work, you do work as a team, you collaborate, and all that. Okay, so now let's go through the challenges. I promise I won't bore you guys. I'll show that I'm boring. This child, your old kid.
Sure.
Okay, so you have four categories of challenges that you can work on. Outer space. I'm sure when some of you, when you were kids, you dreamt that I want to be an astronaut, I want to explore the outer space. Guess what? You can actually get to work on science right here. That's why I love ICT. We are applicable everywhere. Medically, we're there. We need to do solve governance, we're there. Science, yes, everywhere. But now we're also in outer space. From this back here on Earth, this is actually my personal favorite category. The outer space. Humans, this is now where you get to explore some human problems, some human challenges, the world beings and others. Now, robotics. I love robots, but if you decided to develop a robot during the hackathon, please be concise and know what this robot is going to do. You all know robots, right? Most people just develop robots because they are cool. Make sure that there's a purpose for developing that robot. It's not just something that will be moving or talking, but make sure that it's actually doing something, providing value to both the people, both the economy, the environment, the outer space, and everyone. Okay. So, the challenges dashboard is actually quite easy. You can just navigate on easy, intermediate, advanced. Yeah, this my good one. Okay, go to the last one. 3, 2, 1, lift off. This is under the outer space. NASA, this project, develop an experience that captures all the variables involved with making the launch decision. Develop an experience that captures all the variables involved in making the launch decision. I think that could be quite interesting. It can choose whether I want to develop an app, a website. You're not limited to the types of technology, but you need to be solving a problem. You can also do a C++ desktop application or a Java. Advanced data visualization. I'm not course, big data is my favorite thing, but you'll see that in most of these challenges are mostly about data collection, data up to big data, which is one of the sexy things in the market right now. Estimates. Estimates. 2055. 2025 until 2100. Future history. Nice way. Let's begin for creative ways to show the value of estimates as a destination for exploring just as valuable as the moon. Again, remember this is still under the outer space category. Create your own estimate information. Develop an estimate mission and design the spacecraft. Implement the spacecraft and mission with the space flight simulator. Simulate the mission and identify future improvements for the simulation. Concept. So these are the projects that we can just click on. And while we're talking about projects, you guys are registered here, right? You have NASA, you have added MLab as your hacking space. What you need to do also is to create projects. Make sure that you all create a project. You require to add your team members there. And that is quite important when we're doing the final videos. I think it will be for the top 3. When you need to do final videos, and you will see that it will be required by some newspapers here and there to give you inputs and all this. Let's now explore a little bit as projects. Create a solution. Oh, okay. Again, the education is clean water. Maybe the challenge is to improve mapping of drinking water resources. This could include development of a crowdsourcing app to monitor and map potable water availability, all those things. By the way, crowdsourcing, that's big data. It basically means using your users to give data. I can give an example of Facebook. Facebook, whenever you check to a place, Facebook to count like how many people are checking into this place. You know, for example, flu as well. If people say like myself, I have a flu, #kill me now. then the next guy posts about flu. The next guy posts about flu, and then it says MLab. So you see that we are both providing data that we are having flu in the same place, and then now many people start having flu. That's data that you can now take and map and visualize and say maybe MLab air conditions are bad. You know, that's why we need data. So in this case, you just have to let people, for example, they will say that, oh, there's some clean water resource in here. Then you just type the place submit, becomes data, and then for example, government and all that data, process it to, and then what? They module it. Either in a web application or an app, all those things. Crop alert, learning from the growers. Develop a mobile web app or SMS. Oh, okay, I'm reading that page. Capability to help growers who face challenges from crop pests and So again, to think on how I'm going to address that. I would say draw a map and then just find out some of these things. No, yeah. For direction, this is a challenge to identify and visualize the current capacity and potential of countries to be self-sufficient in the provision of food for their populations, and to map how global food needs are met through reliance on international food. Food what? Oh, sorry. Okay. The food directions obviously that's to remind us of food security, right? I hope you all know what food security is. Food security does not mean that your higher officers will go and grab the food. Like my former classmate in high school. This challenge asks you to enable cross-local data to contribute to assessment of land cover change and countries class. I think this is that solution, whether it's a web app or a mobile app, give data that can analyze for educated decision making. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Develop a tool to quantify and classify the amount of injury to the individual needs of all those sensitive plants.
Injury.
Yeah. Develop a tool to quantify and classify the amount of injury to the individual needs of all those sensitive plants. My sky color. My sky color. Create a tool that lets people record the color of the sky using consistent and qualitative standards at a specific location. So yeah, thank you for mentioning that. Some of these solutions, man, like your Facebook, but it's a matter of using that tool for a particular things like Yama, Slack, and all those. Those behave like Facebooks, but then for corporate. So in this case, it would be like your Instagram, but for scientific reasons. Open source add traffic. What? Okay. That yes. The challenge is to build an open source air traffic channels users to select. Sure. What is Geekulcha getting me reading glasses?
Yeah.
Challenge is to build an open source air traffic tracking tool that allows users to select a particular flight and see out the window for other views of the aircraft and airspace. Having this, designers animate or visualize changes in the stream flow across the US. Okay. Please do me a favor and localize that.
Yes, got 5 minutes.
Okay, animate and visualize the changes in stream flow across the SA through time on a GIS layer. And by the way, GIS stands for Geographical Information System. Don't be surprised for how this is so GIS. volcanoes, icebergs, and cracks from space. We need to develop an app to crowdsource the discovery of futuristic natural events. Again, this is the same as the water mapping and the which one? Yes, it's that one. Yes, that one. Then the challenges through the humans. Now we're getting on the humanitarian side. Again, you have an educator there on the top of challenges. Through the devices, we need to have medical devices that will not only be useful in space but also for real medicine situations on Earth. What is the space emotion? Can you hear me now? Space-wise, develop an alternative tool to leverage NASA autos for space missions. Oh, by the way, in each of these challenges, man, NASA provides you with a set of APIs you can read through to help you develop your solutions. Data advice about good keywords to describe the potential hidden secondary uses of NASA's open data. Fitting a mouse, then you can have our friends in the right places. Ooh, okay. Bring your own space food. Interesting. Wow. Space station to telemetry app. You go through that. If you guys decided on what type of apps you want to challenges one paper. Actually, let's now look at the last category, robotics. Robots. Create your own Earth-based robotics competition. Okay. Build a robot, program it, and create your own competition with friends or members of your community. This one, I think an idea, one of the ideas in here could be developing, encouraging these guys to develop robots that will collect data here on Earth. It could be some geological data, some land spectral information, and all those. The robot that creates more data wins the challenge. Or yeah, something like that. Well, guys would normally just make the robots race and all that. Yeah. Sensor itself put together a stream of applicable sensor data of the choice to guide forward movement or to guide when to stop based on data or impediments. Using your imagination.
Speak for a minute.
Must always be the question. Space vision applies television data from space in new ways and use data output from spacecraft thermal power consumption. I think interesting. 0GB, your friendly neighborhood drone. Design and simulate a drone to be used on a space station or another large manned spacecraft to assist the crew with moving items. Mass. Yes. So this the challenges, but if you have other challenges that are solving challenges here on Earth, in space, and humanity, or something robotics, you're also welcome to present them. But you need to adhere to the 5 judging points. Looking at the product, how complex is it fully built, sustainability of the product, you need to look at all those kind of things. Yeah. I don't know what's next. Guys, how many minutes to decide on chips?
So this the teams and the selection of the projects at least the next hour, 30, 2 hours.
Oh, this guy. So it's not me from joining and
No, the reason why we just need to start is you guys jumping into the ideas and then start forming your teams. Because we're gonna have a quick break, probably in the next 30 minutes or so.
How many people can we have in the team?
Let's try, if we are really pushing it, 5 people per team. But at least let's try 4. If you really have
minimum or maximum.
This
maximum.
Yeah, 4 your max. If you really are pushing it, 5, but it shouldn't be more than 5. Alright, so you guys can start checking your groups, splitting, checking the challenges, and we're good together.
Okay, what?
Alright, so let's call this the meeting spot, and then you guys can start mingling, getting to know each other, but at the same time, check the challenges. Oh, by the way, guys, say you must smile.
What does the Swedish girl say? What does the Swedish girl say? This is like the big brother Africa.
She's like that.
So people at home are watching and they say you guys must smile. Because they say let's
It is this anyway, right? I don't know. I haven't
Of course, I love the government.
So now we're three. Now we're we haven't picked one yet. We're still trying to pick people. Pick humans. Trying to pick humans. Okay, we always have to have homogeneous standards. Okay, so what's your okay, okay, so what do you think? Not yet. What's the
Oh, I see him again.
Yes. You know, I need that to get anyway, but they have it there. There's a shop. They're selling now.
Someone's
Hey guys, ready?
yeah.
You know, hey, because if you're interested in it.
Always. It's something you at least you see somebody. Yeah. I don't know why. Every time you just one. Oh, okay. Yeah. It works on something that this is. Why don't you change your PC? What's that? 2015 white flag? Yeah, that's cool. What's the website we will call it what? From where we Just the selection form.
I thought somebody came with an answer, man. After June. Yeah. So did you get this where's the site?
Yes, let me just ask this guy. Oh yeah, 2015 space time challenge.
Hey, these people are doing it big.
What is a transient?
The internet is more
We just need to know.
No, I just won't make sense. Won't make sense. So you need the way to command it, then change it. Because you see fire going back all the way down. So every once in a while we throw out. Okay, that's it. Oh, yeah, well, later we'll see.
That's all it's yours. Okay. I think this yeah, just to so I think this one is you see what's happening here? The keyboard is plugged in. What?
This is to just generate all this data. So nobody takes out the relevance, so with it. So if someone decides like tomorrow or yesterday or the week before, we can scroll and do pop up with a picture and then
So usually that's the 1 million is the time of social
for that second, for that and also we have no one knows.
But you must be able to just continue.
So all the solutions are you can use issues for the robotics and seeing and other skills. It's still there. Give me the also challenging now. Okay. So we sure. You want to decided want to work on.
Can we personalize our project? Great.
Always. But I guess it's just yeah.
So which one are you? Very.
Here I am. I'm on mic.
So we need to do
Those ladies are asking us like now.
maybe.
So I ran away. Like I just wanted to.
Yeah, I know.
I don't want
Anyway, we can't start working without it.
Okay, but do you even know what challenge?
Let me question. Let me just.
Okay. The question is gone.
You're still deciding on the.
Okay, I saw direct. The paper.
Okay, so what are you doing? Nothing. Thank you. I'm recruiting. This recruit. Kind of. What are you? You know, PhD.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm connected to a lab.
Oh, hey, Lakusha. Mary, do you need me to bring your backpack? Which one? Yeah. The night one. Okay. No, I'm sorry. What you okay.
This one is good. The thing is, when I develop like
You won't tell anyone what? You have to tell me. Sorry, she has to tell me. Yeah, we're looking for people. I'm Mary. This is PhD, Java. What is going on now?
right though you are alive.
Oh my God. Hey Nessa. Hey Nessa. I'm still struggling to connect to the Wi-Fi. Oh yeah, succeeded after hours. And now I have to choose a challenge. So yeah. Watch me choose a challenge. Ah, Mari, do you know this camera is like directly on us? You know it shows you too. Okay, partial space oh, come on, what now? Like, now it's gone.
I wouldn't say graduation.
Don't you think this camera should like sit there?
Yeah.
I said I'm not sure yet.
The challenge the scheme
Office. Not on this piece.
All you need is
That's Mary. I have all my software on the other piece. Hey, I don't know how to install that word, but it's like my dad's software. Let me check. Pizza.
What about you?
I finally succeeded in connecting to the
Are you very
I think I did. Yeah, I wanted to end. Oh, but I'm thinking of but it depends. I'll just have you made a decision? I'm thinking
All right, so yeah, we'll help.
And you can see it's happening. No, but
Okay, cool. Why do you know this? Thank you. Okay, let's start with outer space. Outer space.
When you have internet, yeah, I put it on.
Oh wait, she said she wants to be on Earth.
Oh, me, I'm in outer space.
Yeah, I wanna check outer space now. When the main variables involved in making technology decisions, it means we have to Google variables. Oh really?
Yeah. They're also excited in message.
How about creating your own?
I'm going to, I already voiced right
You have to finish.
Yeah. So how about we make
I'm already giving you one.
Oh, we're in different groups. Oh yeah. No, I thought we were.
But today, don't you want to be in a different group? But
Are we always in the same?
which one are you doing? Okay.
We need members.
Did I? How did I do this?
I think I don't mind.
But I think the sucker.
Yes! Let's go! Is it like Mission Impossible style? Scientific?
Me, I want to.
you can actually do it. That's what it is.
That's why you can't even have him.
Oh, really?
It has many stuff. It's just I want to do. It's actually a social network for rural skills.
Yeah, I'm saying I'm thinking.
Somebody likes
That will let you think.
yeah, you
So yeah.